Welcome to Calculus 360 Optimal Schools. I'm your teacher Simon. Today we'll be doing a very interesting topic in mathematics, equations. So we'll be doing equations. So sit back and relax as we enjoy the lesson. So equations. Equations. So we'll say example. So this is x squared minus 3 is equal to, let's say, put a 2 here. This is 23. And 2, let's say, x minus 1 squared is equal to 9. So we'll try to solve these two equations. So this is x squared minus 2 is equal to 23. So we're going to collect like terms from here. So the like terms are 2 and 23. So we are going to cross negative 23, negative 2 to the other side. So this will be x squared is equal to 23. Now this is negative 2. When we cross it this side, it becomes positive 2. When the number crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So that would be x squared is equal to, we add 23 plus 2, that is 25. Okay, now we're looking for x. Now we need to remove this square. To remove the square, we are going to introduce the square root. So when I introduce the square root on this side, I also introduce the square root on the other side. So we cancel this. So we'll say x is equal to the square root of 25, the number you can multiply by itself twice to get 25, that is 5. This means that 5 times 5 is 25. So now the square root of a number is either positive or negative. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 25. So these two are the answers. The second question, x minus 1 brackets x minus 1 bracket the power 2 is equal to 9. So here we need to remove this square that is there. Now to remove the square, we are, just like I did here, to remove that square, we are going to introduce square root here and also square root there. So we are going to cancel the square and the square root. We remain with x minus 1 is equal to square root of 9. The answer is 3. Now the square root of a number is either positive or negative. So we now say therefore x minus 1 will get positive 3, or x minus 1 is equal to negative 3. So you separate the two. So we are going to cross negative 2 to the other side. So that will be x is equal to 3. This is negative, becomes positive 1. So x is equal to 4. Like this. We are going to also cross negative 1 to the other side. So this will be x is equal to negative 3. This is negative 1. This becomes positive 1. So x is equal to negative 3 plus 1, different signs, you subtract and get the sign of bigger number. So this becomes negative 2. That's how you solve this one. So we look at the third example. The third example, number 3 here. X squared is equal to 2x. So we solve that equation there. X squared is equal to 2x. So we are going to cross 2x to the other side of an equation. Now, this one is positive 2x. So this will be x squared. So you're going to cross positive 2x to the other side. So this becomes negative 2x. Then is equal to, so since there's nothing there, you're going to put a 0 like that. Now, here, we are going to factorize. So we're going to look at what is common here and what is common there. So discover that x is common because we have x there and x there. So we're going to factorize, meaning we're going to take x outside the brackets like this. Now, we had how many x there? We had 2x there. One x is here, then the other x remains inside there, minus. What about here? How many x did we have? We had one x, which is outside the bracket. So what has remained there is 2 is equal to 0. Now you separate these where you say, therefore, x alone is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we cross this one to the other side. So to be x is equal to 0 plus 2. So negative 2 goes inside, becomes positive 2. So x is equal to 2, like this. Okay. So I want you to try these questions. So solve here. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.